Alright, once again, welcome right here to Copy Trade King, and it's powered to you by Quant Solution. In this video, we're going to share with you how you can use the CDK Trading Platform Pro version 1. Now, first of all you need to do is actually to make sure that your order trading is always turned on. So make sure this one is turned green. Now we don't want it to to mess up with the the usual buttons that you have right here. So maybe you can turn it into a smaller version right there, and you can basically click right here and drag it inside. Each of the pair you will put it into a different magic number so that you don't want to clash it. So in this case right here, I just put maybe 1. Now click OK. Now first of all, you can decide your lot size. Now in this case right here, probably I would like to perform 1.00 lot, the standard lot size right here. Now in this case right here, I put my stop loss right here, probably around 50 pips right here. Okay, so assume that in this case right here, the first 20 pips I would like to take maybe about 50%. Arrive at 20 pips, it will take partial of the profit, 50% of the lot size right here. Okay, probably I just put 30 pips right here, and I just put 50 pips right here. So 50, maybe I put here 25%, and I put 25%. So 50, 25, 25, you get 100%. So just click the button buy. Okay, so when you click the button buy here, if you hover, okay, so this is basically going to be your entry point. Okay, so this is your one lot right here. So your entry point is right here, this green color right here at a TP1. This one, the first line right here, it will start to take 50% of the profit, and once it hit 30 pips, it will take another 25%, and once it hit TP3 right here, it will release the final 25%. Okay, but pretty much right here is flexible for you. If you want to wish to close everything, you can do so as well. So this is one thing that good about this Trading Pad Pro. Now another features also that we want to share with you beside that we have what we call the hidden. Okay, so all this area right here, the stop loss, okay, the take profit 1, 2 and 3. So basically the first feature is right here, we have a hidden, okay, take profit, and also we have a hidden stop loss. Okay, this is to avoid the market makers purposely to actually hit you down there, make you lose the money right here, and after that they bounce back again. So it's pretty much happens in this Trading Pad Pro as well. We have a break even mechanism here. The moment the price hit TP1, whatever you put right here is stop loss right here, the system will be automatically dragged right here to your entry point right here, so that you can have a break even. Okay, so your stop loss will be pushed the moment you hit your TP1. Your stop loss will go up right here to put exactly at the same at your entry point, so that you can have break even. So just in case if the price go to TP1, and after the probably is hit the TP2, and suddenly there's a sudden news right here, boom, you will not lose money, but the system right here already saved you in terms of the break even. Remember, again, in trading, you do not wish to lose more money. You want to protect as much as you can. So let's see whether we can have again on the other pairs that we think is good. Okay, so I think maybe I want to try another one right here with Australian New Zealand dollar. Okay, so I'm going to open the chart first. So I'm going to drag this CDK Trading Pad Pro, and I'm going to put the magical number right here, number 2. Okay, make sure it's not going to be the same. Okay, so in this case right here, we assume that the price is gonna go down right here, and I want to put my stop loss slightly near. So make sure again you know your lot size and capital. So here I'm going to put say 1.00. So I put my stop loss at 35 pips. Okay, and TP1 I want to put maybe 15 pips. Okay, very near, just for a quick scalp perhaps, maybe. And I just want to put here is 20, and I'm gonna put here 25. Okay, you can put any numbers that you like. So maybe once it hit the first TP1, I'm just going to take about 50%, and I'm gonna take another 25% right here, and probably I'm just going to put 20% here, and I'm going to put 20% here. Now if you do your math calculation here, 50, 20, 20, basically you only have 90%. Now why I do that? So at that, I just purposely want to make the final 10% run as a balance. Okay, so in this case right here, I would like to short the market right here. So once upon you receive the signal, okay, once you receive the signal right here, you can use this Trading Pad Pro to design on whatever level of your take profit that you want. So in this case right here, I'm going to click sell right here. So you guys see right here that in this section right here, the system already pretty much designed where is my stop loss right here. Okay, so this area, the yellow color right here, basically is my stop loss. Okay, the green color in this section right here, this is your entry point. Okay, and then the first nearest blue line right here is my TP1. Okay, and then I have another TP2 right here in the second section. Okay, and I have my TP3 right here. Okay, so TP3. Okay, again the mechanism right here, all this part right here will be hidden. So assume that the price move and is gonna go down here and touch TP1. Basically it will sell right here 50% of whatever I hold here. Okay, and as the price go down and touch TP2, it will release again another final another 20% right here. Okay, and a TP3 right here. Okay, if it's sell, okay, you're going to see that it's going to sell another 20%. Now if you calculate all together right here, you basically see that all total here is basically is only 90%. Now you can purposely do that as well. Okay, so that the question is, what is the 10% is gonna do? Okay, so the final 10% is I'm going to let it run freely. Okay, so you can go as far as you can, so I can close manually whenever I want. Okay, but just in case right here the price return back, basically we already have a break even. Again, the tips is whatever you put on your TP1 right here, once the price hit your first TP1 will be the first indication that the stop loss right here will automatically go back to the same level of your entry price to create one system like you call break even. Okay, so whatever happened to the market right here, just in case there's a sudden news, it happens so quick like that, your system basically will break even so that you have a zero loss right here. Okay, so that you don't get any big impact. So this is the things right here that why I like about the CDK Trading Pad Pro. Okay, so here's the quick update right here that we have already. So let's have a look on what exactly happened to Australian New Zealand dollar right here. So if you guys can see right here, we basically hit already all the target right here, and if I can change here right here, you guys can see the Australian New Zealand dollar right here, basically we hit all the target right here, 1 2 3, basically it's all hit. And remember that we purposely make Australian New Zealand dollar right here at 90%. So you see right here the TP1 we hit 15 pips, TP2 at 20 pips, TP3 at 25 pips, and we basically have a balance of a 10%. So if you guys can see right here, okay, if you see the current trade right now, it's still running. Okay, so this is what we call ride the trend. Now with the button right here as well, you can close whatever remaining if you think that this is all right already. So I want to click the button close all. Okay, so there you go, we're done. I just close everything right here and go to account history. You'll see that Australian New Zealand dollar, I took 50%, which is 0.5 lots right here, and then 0.2, 0.2, and 0.1. Okay, and this is all the profit that I made: $52, $28, $33, and $8. Okay, so we hit our target on the Australian New Zealand dollar. Now let's have a look on Euro Japanese yen. We did long right here. And again, right here, one thing I like about a CDK Trading Pad Pro is it's all about actually when you make profit, it's secure for you. But what if the trade went wrong? It helps you to actually break even. So we actually doing a target right here, but right after that it went down. And look right here how beautiful that is trade right here. It helps you to secure your first TP right here at 20. And right after that the price didn't go beyond and it went below. Look at that, how actually it break even. So when it break even right here, just give you a little bit profit right here. So it help you to zeroize whatever you have. Of course there's a pro and the cons from this, but again, in trading right here, it's all about when you have a good methodology, and right here you have a money management as well. So right here I'm profiting all right here and secure $252.16. So this is the video tutorial right here on how you can use your CDK Trading Pad Pro version 1, and all clients and all the customers that purchase our program, especially the CDK Trading Signal, we're gonna give you free of the CDK Trading Pad Pro together and alongside with your subscriptions. Especially for those who use MT4 Trading Platform, this will be given to you for free. Okay, so watch the video tutorial right here. Once again, thank you very much for joining Copy Trade King. For more info right here, log on to our website copytradeking.com.